arrived in Minnesota, so we thought we'd have pizza burgers tonight for dinner. This is something my mother used to make a lot. We had it for Girl Scouts and whatnot, but I believe it's a Minnesota recipe that she brought from there and maybe from her mom. I'm not sure where it came from, but what it is we're using half a can of Spam. Spam. A pound of hamburger. Half a can of pizza sauce. It's supposed to be one of those little cans, but we only had a big one, so I used half. And then 3/4 of a pound of Velveeta, because, you know, Velveeta makes everything good. And then the spices are just pepper, little bit of garlic salt, not too much salt because the Spam is very salty. So you don't want too much. The Spam. A little more down. Spam. There you go. And then a little onion powder. So then you mix it all up. I pre-cooked the hamburger before I made the mix. You can make this with raw hamburger and Spam, but then you have to cook it in a 450-degree oven for 20 minutes. And I didn't think that was a good idea here.
What kind of oven? What kind of oven do we have?
We have a convection oven.
So it should cook faster. This is the first time we're doing this recipe.
Yes, here in the camper. So,
yeah.
Or you've never had it before.
I've never had a pizza burger unless they had them in grade school.
So very disgusting looking pot of meat.
I didn't want to show that.
And you just take it and you spread it on half a hamburger bun, a goodly amount. And it's about a 1/4 cup, I'd say, of mixture. Now, when my mom made this, she had Grandma's meat grinder to use to grind the Spam and grind the Velveeta, but we gave Grandma's meat grinder to Nick, our son-in-law, so now we have to just make do with what we've got.
What'd you use?
I used the cheese grater.
Cheese grater to shred the Spam.
It worked really good on the Spam, not so much on the Velveeta.
Yeah, Velveeta's hard to grate.
It's just like mush, you know, it's mushy. So then you just spread the stuff on the hamburger buns.
Now, are you using all tops and all bottoms, or tops and bottoms?
All tops and bottoms, yeah.
Okay, let me ask something.
Sure.
Traditionally, it's made on a hamburger bun. Could you also make this on a hot dog bun?
Oh, sure. That's been known to happen when you don't have any hamburger buns.
Okay.
You just open the hot dog bun
and what do you do with the extra meat? You put that in the freezer?
The extra meat, well.
Do you give that to the...
No, the extra meat
the dog.
Can go in the freezer.
Does the dog get any?
She's helping.
She's ready to help.
Yeah, she's helping. The extra meat will go into the freezer for us. When my mom made this, it was for the whole family, so, but, you know. I distinctly remember her making this for Girl Scouts. There was like 100 people. We went camping and there were like a couple Girl Scout troops, and my mom made these for everybody. So she had like that giant pot and crazy. So
while you were camping?
Yeah.
Where was the oven?
Well, it was a Girl Scout camp, so I think there might have been an oven involved. I don't know. You cook these on the campfire with tin foil if you want to get crazy. But we're not doing that.
We're not doing that.
No,
we have
a convection oven.
That's right.
So we're just waiting for that to heat up.
Okay.
We'll let you see what it looks like when we're all done.
That's we made 6.
Mm-hmm.
So the oven's just heating up. It's preheating to
400.
400. So you use a hot oven.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
and then where was the tomato sauce? That's in there and everything?
That's in here, yeah.
So that's it. That's the finished product.
Mm-hmm.
Is it getting any cheese on top or anything?
No. I mean, you could get fancy, but this is not a fancy recipe. This
Okay,
is,
and then you eat that with a fork and a knife?
no,
Or do
you eat it like an open-faced sandwich.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Okay. Okay, so they're out of the oven. They're sizzling away. I can't get it. There we go. You want 1 or 2, Mark?
I'll have 3. I think probably 2. I don't know.
Well, I'll give you 2 for that.
I've never had one. I don't know. Let's see.
So So, pizza burgers. I'm so excited.
Now, what were you missing? You were missing fennel seed, right?
Yes. But using the pizza sauce instead of plain tomato sauce took care of that. So,
Okay.
we're good.
Well, that's too much food. That's a big dinner. And you just eat the pizza burger with your fingers?
Yeah, but don't burn your fingers.
It's that hot?
Can be.
Mmm. It tastes like a pizza, like a DiGiorno pizza or something. So, what do you think?
I think it's really good. I'm very happy.
Have some.
Yeah, oh, I have to take
Take
a
a
bite.
bite.
Okay. Mm-hmm. They taste just like I remember.
Good, good. Well, we're gonna eat these. And hopefully you can try them. We might be able to put a recipe in the description
Yep.
of the video down at the bottom. It'll be a close recipe, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And of course, subscribe. We'll see you up and down the road.